Many failed to solve this problem. Why does this simple equation confuse so many students? But this simple equation hides a tricky concept. Watch till the end. Our question 3 power x plus 3 power x plus 3 power x looks like addition. Right. Okay, then add them up, then we get us 3 power 3x is equal to 3 power 5. If you see plus sign, your brain says add them, but maths says don't. This is where students get tricked every time. Okay, this base is the same doesn't mean we can just keep the base and add the exponents. So we can write it as 3 power x plus x plus x. So we get as 3 to 3x is equal to 3 to the power 5. Wait. Oh no, look at the signs we are adding. You can only keep the base and add exponents only when we are multiplying the numbers. So we can do this by taking 3 power x as common, so 3 power x into 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power 5. So 3 into 3 power x is equal to 3 to the power 5. So 3 to the power 5 is 243. So 3 power x is equal to 81. So 81 is equal to 3 to the power 4. X equals 4. But we check whether x is equal to 4 is right or not by putting x is equal to 4 in the question. So 3 power 4 plus 3 power 4 plus 3 power 4 is equal to 3 power 5. So take 3 power 4 US common, so 3 power 4 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 power 5. So 3 power 4 into 3 is equal to 3 power 5. So here the bases are equal and power should be added, so 3 to the power 5 is equal to 3 to the power 5. Did you think it was addition? Comment yes or no. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.